guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making garlic parm chicken tenders in the air fryer. What you're going to need is, I've got some chicken tenders here. You're going to need 2 eggs, some buttermilk, some smoked paprika, panko of course, salt, granulated garlic, pepper, Parmesan cheese. The first thing you want to do is preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees and set it up for 12 minutes. Alright. I'm going to put 2 eggs in here. I've got my little dredging station. Let me get a fork. I never have everything I need. Shake up your buttermilk. I don't have much. I'm just going to leave it. Eggs in here, and then your chicken tenders. Now I have sprayed the bottom of my air fryer basket, of course. I forgot to tell you that part. I'm gonna add some panko. Some parm, make a mess. A teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of granulated garlic. Half a teaspoon of salt. See, I had to... Sorry, never mind. And a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I probably mixed up way too much, but can't reuse it. And then move some of this out of the way. While I'm waiting for that to preheat a little bit, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of Southern cooking, and I like to think that my instructions are pretty much for all levels of cookers out there. My specialty is Southern cooking, but I'm not... I like to go all over the world with some of my cooking. So take a look around. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Alright. Put some of these in here. What you're going to want to do is make sure you press down on these, so that it all adheres to everything adheres to it. I got this recipe my daughter-in-law gave me when I got my air fryer 2 years ago. My husband had told my son and daughter-in-law, and my daughter-in-law worked at Barnes & Noble at the time, and she got me a air fryer cookbook that I absolutely love. And this is one of the first things that I made out of it. I tried frying chicken in my air fryer, and I'm sure it would be great, but my air fryer was too small, and by the time it was all done, it was just easier for me to fry it in the frying pan because it took forever to cook a whole batch of chicken. But we like we use it a lot for French fries, of course, and other fried stuff. Makes it quicker. I've noticed that finally some of the companies are adding air fryer instructions, but most of them have a pre-setting for stuff. It's like mine has it for fries, frozen fries, nuggets, steak, poultry, and fish. I don't know about a steak in the air fryer, but I did make a baked potato in it. Alright, I'm done with this before it's even preheated. I'll bring you back whenever it's preheated. Alright, it's preheated. As I said, I did spray. And I'm just going to lay these in here. Yeah, I made way too much. You can use the dried grated Parmesan, but I like using, no, it's not fresh. I don't grate my own Parm, but alright, this is going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, these cooked 12 minutes. I really put them close together. But these are a lot smaller than I usually get, but these are very good. You will love these. Don't eat his with ranch. I just eat mine all by themselves. I wouldn't mind some honey mustard. And of course I got a mess, but alright guys, there is your garlic parm air fryer chicken tenders. I want to thank you for joining me. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Share it out on your social media. Help my channel grow. Leave me a comment. Now, what would you like? Do you cook with an air fryer? What do you like to cook with it? Alright, y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.